Are you ready to carry on practicing your reading? Let's start by going through some sounds that you'll find in words that we're going to read in this lesson. Say the sounds after me. G, O, A, L, B, R. Have a look at the right-hand side of the page and let's sound the words out together. Say the sounds and the words with me. B-A-D, bad. B-A-G, bug. E-N-D, end. Th-at, fat. H-it, hit. H-op, hop. L-E-G, leg. L-O-G, log. P-I-G, pig. R-at, rat. S-at, sat. T-op, top. Now let's read the words in the block at the top of the page. These are words that we need to learn and practice to make reading easier. Is. A. We write a this way with a capital when we use it at the beginning of a sentence. And this is how we write it if we're using it in the middle of a sentence. The. Has, on, it, to, of, he. Remember, if we use a word at the beginning of a sentence, we write it with a capital letter. Now let's have a look at the sentences on the left-hand side of the page, starting at the top. It is a rat. It is a rat. The rat has a bad leg. The rat has a bad leg. He has to hop. He has to hop. He sat on top of the log. He sat on top of the log. The pig is fat. The pig is fat. A bug is on the leg of the pig. A bug is on the leg of the pig. The pig hit the bug. The pig hit the bug. It is the end of the bug. It is the end of the bug. Well done, and keep practicing.